there, beautiful people. It's Shower here, and welcome back to the channel. But most importantly, welcome back to the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. You can follow along with us either with the free PDF printable template that you can use, write things down, or you can purchase our Notion template, which is going to help you to create all of the systems that you need. I'm going to leave the links for you to get them down below. And also, do not forget that we have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, where you can just stay motivated with other people that are taking the challenge like you. So yeah, guys, let us get on to what we have for today. We are at the end of the challenge, and I am so proud of you. Throughout these past 20 days, you have taken your life seriously, you have reflected, you have planned, and you have executed. And I'm so proud of you. You deserve a clap, you deserve an applause, you deserve an applause because you did that. Okay, you did that, and celebrate yourself. Okay, reflect on everything that you did and celebrate yourself. Okay, take yourself out, thank God that December is already here, Christmas is already here, so you can go all out. Okay, you are allowed to go all out because you're not going to be one of those people that you're going to have this guilt of, oh, I don't know what I'm doing in my life, I don't know what I'm going to do for next year. Like, no, that is not your case. Okay, you have things planned, you can rest, you can chill, you can celebrate. So yeah, guys, that's just that for that. And in today's video, I'm just going to be taking you through how you can reflect using the Notion template, how you can celebrate using the Notion template, and also I'm going to be taking you through how you can use the templates that you're going to be using for your project goals, for your habit goals, which is your habit tracker and your 12-week year tracker, just to make sure that you understand how you can use the templates in your day-to-day, so in your day-to-day and also weekly for your weekly review and weekly reset. So that is what we're going to be doing in today's video, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, guys, so once you open up the day 21, as you can see, celebrate your progress and all of that. So yeah, we have this quick write-up, and it's just telling you that okay, you can just have like a final reflection. It's important to make sure that all of the choices that you made, they still align with what you want, and just go over everything, go over all the goals, go over all of the identity goals, go over all of the project goals that you've set. Are you sure that this is something you want to do? You can always just come back to it, all of that. So you can always just open up this done, and you see all of the steps that you did, like arranged according to the date. So you can just like go over everything and just like, okay, what do I want to change? The habits, can I change anything in the habits, all of that. So you can just like expand this to make it expand. So yeah, guys, that's basically that for like the reflection. Just go over every step that you've done, and then once you're done, you can now click on this. So click when you finish this challenge. Once you click on it, it's just like, okay, how do you plan to reward yourself? So actually write this down, like write it down. Okay, I'm going to take myself on a spa date, I'm going to take myself on a movie date, I'm going to take myself on something. Like, just do something to just make sure that you reward yourself for all of this planning that we've done, all of this taking your life seriously and showing up for the best version of yourself. Okay, so that's that for that. So I'm not going to click on this, but this is our gift from us to you. So click on it once you are done with that, and yeah, so that's just that for that. I'm not going to click it because I don't want you to know what it is. Yeah. And then, so now how are you actually going to use this template in your day-to-day? Okay, so you just go to home page, and this is the homepage of the stuff. So let's check the habit tracker first. All right, guys, so as you can see, of course, with the habit tracker we have this navigation day challenge, so you can always just go back. Okay, if I want to go to my 12-week year, I can you can easily go. If you want to go to your balanced life planner, you can easily go. So that navigation is there for you to just click, and once you click on it, you can just move between the different pages easily. No need to stress of looking for the links or anything like that. So if you want to use a habit tracker, the way we did it is that we use a point-based system. Okay, so every single day for each week, you're going to have 1 point. Okay, not every single day. From Monday to Friday, you're going to be tracking your habits from Monday to Friday, and every single day you have 1 point for each habit. Okay, so once you click on this new week, as you can see, it's going to automatically like just reset everything and turn everything back to zero, turn the weekly score back to zero. Okay, so let's say for instance on Monday morning, you got dressed, so you can always just play perfect. Like, as you can see, it's weekly, breakfast one, this thing one, this thing one. But let's say you rushed through your morning Bible study. Okay, was it something that you actually like sat down and like took your time and everything? So you cannot give yourself 1 point. Okay, so what we did is that you can just do this, just do 0.8 and you're good to go. Okay, so what it does is that it just helps you to actually like have like a really objective view as to how you are doing. So it's not just you're ticking off boxes, but are you taking into account the intensity? Okay, did you do it? Because and also not just even like okay, it's like bringing you down, but also that okay, you know that okay, I do not have the mental capacity to do this to the highest level, but I still want to give myself a point for trying, right? So you can always give yourself a point. So let's say for instance on Tuesday now, as you can see, let's say you did and we got dressed as well, very good, and you did this. But of course, anyone that has now been below one, anyone that you've gotten that you've not gotten, a perfect score in, you cannot now use this perfect because it's just going to reset everything, right? So you always want to make sure that okay, let's say you not did very well on Tuesday, so you now do 1.8. I hope you understand what I mean. So let's say for instance, now these daily affirmations, you forgot to do it. So we're just going to leave that there. Then that comes to Wednesday again. Of course, you got dressed, of course, you ate breakfast, and you did your daily affirmations very well. So now you're just going to add 1 point to make it two. Do you understand? And then set time blocks, and then this one you will now do it 2.8. I hope you understand what I mean. And so that's the way it works for like the point-based system. But if you want to track it, like okay, just want to do like a quick capture, you can just click on perfect day. So let's say for instance, maybe you just know in your heart that you did all of your routines, very good. You did every step very good, and you do not want to, nitpick into okay, this one, how this and I do. You can just reset it, and then so once you click on Monday, as you can see, it's going to automatically populate for Monday, like all of the habits that you have is going to automatically populate 1 point for Monday. So you can also do this based on like your routines. Okay, so we have the morning routine, afternoon routine, evening routine, and night routine. So for instance, let's say your morning routine. So let me just reset this. Yeah, so let's say for your morning routine, you did it really well. You left no crumbs. We're going to do that morning. So as you can see, all of the habits have populated for morning, right? You can just like be doing one by one, and as you can see for your evening, it has populated all of it. So this is just a really cool way for you to now get things done. And so now we are on to the weekly review and reset. Okay, so this is where you now go to every single week to just check in with your habits. How are you doing your habits? Okay, so for this 100%, these are all of the habits that you did 100% every single day. You did it to the best of your abilities, and you got a 5/5 score. And then while the 80% are the habits that you got more than 80% in. So as you can see, we have all of them. So there are four, while these other ones are the five. So yeah, and then we also have below 50. Okay, so we don't have anyone that is below 50, but let me just look for one that I can make below 50 so that you can see what I mean, right? So as you can see, once you have clicked this, so maybe for instance, you did evening skincare just twice in the week. As you can see now, it's now showing up here as below 50 because it's 2/5. So that is that. And then the last one is based on your identities. Okay, so as you can see here now, we have the score. So what this has done is that it has added all of the habits, all of the scores for the habits that are under a devoted Christian. So we have the morning Bible study and bedtime prayer. So it has added all of those scores and giving us the average for those scores. Okay, so we have a confident person 5, healthy person 5, productive person 5. So let's say for instance, now let me show you what it means. Let me show you what that would do. So let's say I make this one now. So as you can see now, it has now brought that one back to low. Okay, so what this does, like I said before, it just adds all of the habits that you have. It gives you the average score. So that's just basically that for that. And it's like, and every week you can just come back to this. Oh, okay, what identity am I low in? What identity am I high in? Like it's just going to make you hyper aware of who you are and how you're showing up. Okay, so are you showing up as the person you want to be? Because if you're getting low as a productive person, you know that okay, I need to up my habits for being a productive person and just do things properly, right? So that's just how you're going to be using the habit tracker for your day to day. And then we go to the 12-week year. Okay, so this one too is really really simple. So as you can see, once you assign the tasks that you need to do for each of your goals to the days like we did in day whatever, you're going to be able to see everything. Okay, this is that. Let's say for instance you've done this one, you can just click on it and it's going to go automatically. Same one as this, it's going to go automatically. So each of the tasks that we are doing they are color coded. So it's just really cool. Once you see black, you know, okay, I'm working on my career. Once you see green, you know, okay, I'm working on my financial life. Once you see blue, you know, okay, I'm working on my health and so on. And it's just really cool. It's just a really cool vibe to have. And then you can also do this hourly. So you can use this opportunity to, like, you know, time block based on hourly. So as you can see here now, we have all of the hours: 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 p.m. Let's say you want to work in on this one from 10 a.m. You can just drag it. Once you see that thing there, just drag it from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. And then let's say for this one, you want to work in on this one from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. And then maybe for this one, you want to work on it for this thing 2 p.m. So you can just use this to, like, you know, just drag things out and just, you know, make sure. But of course, since we have our balanced life planner, this is not when we're going to be doing this. So you would have already done all of this. You would have already time blocked all of the, you know, projects that you're working on. But if you want to do it like that, you can do it. So this red line is just showing you exactly where you are at in the day. So as you can see, we are currently at 8:50 a.m. in the day. So that's just that. So you can just, you know, use this red line to just know where you're at and what you're working. So of course with this one as well, I can just click on it and it will automatically go. And last one is the list. Okay, so you can see all of the tasks that you need to do based on the list and based on the days. Okay, so as you can see, this is December 9, this is December 10, this is December 11. So maybe you don't want to be, you know, using this whole like thing. You can always just go to the list, and in this list you can now like edit stuff. You can just edit like the, maybe you want to change this now to 10, you can do that, right? And then also you can just click on it and then go down and you can create like a little to-do list. Then you can write stuff out. You can create like a to-do list. Okay, based on this, okay, maybe you want to write down all of the, you know, people that you're going to be reaching out to. You can write it like me, just saying that of it. Like, do you get, you can write it and just as you're, you know, clicking, you can just click on this, and then you can always now come back to this task once you are done. If you want to check, maybe you want to like use it as like a note, you can write these notes here. Okay, so that's just basically that for that. That's basically that for how you can, you know, track the tasks that you do each day. So as you can see, because we have already, you know, done these two tasks, as you can see, it has now updated here. Okay, so we now get to see, okay, this is the rating for this one. Okay, so we've done, you know, work on our public speaking and it has, you know, updated that for us. We've done work on our personal brand launch and it has updated that for us. So let's say I do for these ones as well. As you can see, it has already, you know, done that. So yeah, so my camera cuts off here and I forgot to talk about the not started tab and a done tab. Okay, so for the not started tab, those are the goals that you're going to see that you have not created any tactic for it, meaning you have not created any task for it. So it's going to stay in not started. While for the done, those are the goals that you are going to have to click as, okay, this is done. So you can just open up the goal and then just go to status and just click done, and then you'll be able to see all of the projects that you have completed. Yeah, guys, that's basically that for that. And then the next section we have is the weeks. Okay, so every week you're going to be able to see the current week. So this is the week that is showing where the due date is this week. So as you can see, this one is from today to Friday, so that's week 1. So you can also see all of your weeks as well. So maybe you're at like week 6 now watching this video. So let's say for instance you're at week 6 and you want to see something that I did in week 1, you can just always like click on it and you would see it. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you exactly how you can do your weekly review for your project goals. Okay, so as you can see here now, once you go to the weekly review, you'll be able to see your tactics and be able to see the results that you've had. Okay, so if you can see here now, we're not going to be able to see, okay, these are the results that we have, and you can just click them. What that you did not do, you can just leave it blank like that, because we're going to be using it to do our weekly execution score review. So this is based on like the 12-week year, and I feel like it's really good. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at your tactics, the percentage you go for your tactics, and then the percentage you go for your results. Okay, so let's say for instance you did everything well, left no crumbs, you did the work, so proud of you. So as you can see here now, we have 86% for the tactics and 100% for the results. So you just want to go up that, okay, so we did, we executed more than 80% of tactics and also more than 80% of results. So you can just click on it and it's going to automatically update. So it's going to update not only, you know, the page, but it's also going to give you like something that you can, you know, just like just reminders. So for instance, you executed less than 80% of tactics and less than 80% of the results. So let's say now we're just going to say, okay, you are struggling with execution. What can you do? Ask yourself these questions, all of that, all of that, all of that. And then these are the ones for the other, um, scenarios. So if you made a mistake, you can just click on Control Z and it's going to undo it for you. So yeah, guys, that's basically that for that, and that's just how you can use this. It's Cheryl from the future again, and I just wanted to let you guys know that if you want to reschedule, like let's say for instance, you want to move the dates of your 12 weeks, maybe for week one, you want to start it on the second week of January. All you just have to do is just go to any of the tables there and just click on it and then open source database. Once you open it up, you see the reschedule tab, so you can just like reschedule it using that. You can just like select everything and then just move it around, move it to where you want it to start to, and that will just help you to reschedule it easily. And yeah, guys, that is basically that for today's video. Oh my god, I'm so happy we are at the end. We are at the final stage of the challenge, and I'm very happy for you being here as well, and I'm so proud of you. I really do want you to enter 2025 knowing exactly what you want and just get into it, like just getting things done. Like I'm so excited for you to have that feeling, because honestly guys, that was the feeling I had when I started this year, and I'm just so grateful that I stuck to it, and I created this plan, created these goals, and just like started taking my life seriously. And yeah, guys, I'm so happy for you, and I'm so proud of you. So yeah, that's basically that for that, and I will see you in our next video on the channel, but not for the 21-day challenge, which is sad, but it's fine. Okay, I'm really annoying here. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Into that we have planned for us. And work, and we can just jump all of the activities for the what invite that you want to do, all of the tasks. Rex, do not move that tripod. Hey, yeah, sit down, sit down. So what it has done is that this one too. Holy Spirit, I thank you. It's this one that you are moving around. This boy wants me to beat him. Oh. This boy wants me to beat him. Oh. So guys, this is what for. Hey there. So yeah, guys, I'll see you. Let me my little face now. It's really bad.